Ever wondered if Airwallex, that innovative fintech platform, offers physical cards? Let's dive in and find out. Imagine having a global financial solution at your fingertips without the hassle of traditional banks. Is Airwallex the answer? Airwallex has been making waves in the financial technology industry, offering a range of services from international payments to currency exchange. But does this digital-first platform offer the tangible comfort of a physical card? The digital advantage. Airwallex primarily focuses on a digital-first approach. Their virtual cards offer convenience, security, and flexibility. You can easily manage your finances, make online purchases, and even set spending limits through their user-friendly platform. But what about physical cards? While Airwallex doesn't offer physical cards directly, they do provide a workaround. You can leverage their virtual cards to create physical cards through partner services. These partner cards often come with additional benefits like cashback, rewards, or travel perks. Partner services. Revolut, known for its sleek interface and global reach, Revolut allows you to convert your Airwallex virtual card into a physical card. Wise, formerly TransferWise, this popular platform offers physical cards in multiple currencies, making it convenient for international travelers. Curve acts as a card aggregator, allowing you to combine multiple cards, including your Airwallex virtual card, into a single physical card. Advantages of partner cards. Enhanced security. Physical cards often come with additional security features like chip and PIN technology. Convenience. For offline transactions or situations where virtual cards are not accepted, physical cards offer a practical solution. Additional benefits. Partner cards may provide perks like cashback, rewards, or travel insurance. Considerations. Fees. Some partner services may charge fees for physical cards or additional features. Activation time. There might be a waiting period before your physical card is activated and ready for use. While Airwallex doesn't offer physical cards directly, their partnership with other financial services allows you to enjoy the benefits of both digital and tangible payment options. The choice between a virtual or physical card ultimately depends on your individual needs and preferences. So, there you have it. Airwallex doesn't offer physical cards directly, but their partnerships provide convenient workarounds. Whether you prefer the digital convenience of virtual cards or the tangible comfort of physical ones, Airwallex has you covered. Want to learn more about Airwallex and its offerings? Check out their website or leave a comment below with any questions you may have. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.